Hi everyone, my name is Taufik Hidayat. Today, I will explain the location of the multi-purpose building in my school. First, from the school gate, go straight ahead, past the schoolyard and the teacher room. After that, turn left. The multi-purpose building is in front of the library. This building is used for many activities, such as meetings, school events, and parents' meetings. The parking area is beside the building, so visitors can park their vehicles there. The meeting room is inside and comfortable for meetings. If you need to go to the toilets are behind the building. There is also a canteen next to the parking area where people can buy food and drinks. That is the direction to the multi-purpose building in my school. Thank you for watching.